Hey guys, Jason Perry. Wanted to answer a question with regard to the differences in different mortgage companies. Basically, there's three main types of mortgage companies that are out there. You have your primary lenders, you have your correspondent lenders, and then you have what's called your mortgage brokers. Basically, to give you a little bit of an insight, the mortgage broker world, in a great degree, are essentially middlemen between the lenders and yourself. So, and you typically pay some sort of a fee or mortgage brokerage fee or what have you between those two. Now, the mortgage broker world used to be a very big part of the industry years and years ago. If you go back into the early 2000s and prior to that, etc. Unfortunately, what's happened over the years is that the mortgage brokers, being that they're not lenders, basically are they don't have a lot of control, unfortunately. So it becomes a bit of an issue when you're dealing with a situation that's not typical, or more importantly, just any situation, because they don't primarily have the answers, because they have to go to the lender and the other end to get the answers. The other group you have your lenders. You have your primary lenders and you have your correspondent lenders. Generally, what you're looking at is your primary lenders are companies like your big banks, your Wells Fargo's, Chase, Bank of America, those sort of companies. And basically, what they offer is they offer the programs that they have in their own company. So you're not going to typically go to a Wells Fargo and get a non-typical loan or what have you, unless it's something that Wells Fargo has in their own cabinet. Correspondent lenders, to a great degree, are similar. They're sort of hybrids. So a correspondent lender is a company that is a lender, so they're a lender like a primary lender, so they maintain all that control, which is very important. But then they also have the freedom and the flexibility to deal with other programs and other institutions' programs on the servicing side. So in a correspondent lender, what you could look at is a program that is, let's say, atypical, or more importantly, even just a better rate and a better situation for the buyer. And because the correspondent lender is still the lender, that means they typically are going to underwrite and process the loan as the lender and maintain all that control. And what would ultimately happen is the servicing would then be hooked up to that end servicer. So you have the benefits of the brokerage world and the benefits of the primary lending world. So that's just a little bit of an insight into what the real difference is between primary lenders, correspondent lenders, and mortgage brokers. Any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, Jason Perry. My number here is 603-325-2033. And you can email me at jason@lendwithjason.com. Have a great day.